Titan pressure washing here. What's going on, guys? So we got this nice house, about 2,000 square foot house, so we did an exterior wash on it, and we soft washed and hot pressure washed the driveway, and then we're going to seal the driveway. We've got a great sealer that we use, and we did their walkway. And they're gonna have to repaint the house. They've got paint loss and mud daubers that we had to remove. Anyway, give you guys a little walk around. Got all this mold and algae off the side of the house. It was moderate to heavy before. It's a good client. They're gonna have us come back out on a regular basis, every 6 months to a year, depending on how bad the buildup is. Pool screen enclosure, that thing was bad because it backs up here to the little green belt here. So we cleaned it all, got all that looking nice. And we also had a lanai. We tried to get this out the best we could. Older pavers. We got all the bugs, spider webs out. Screen enclosure looks great. Those aren't stains, those are where the paint's peeled up. So this was all black out here. Nice little backyard. The whole house is nice and clean. Pool screen enclosure has a little bit of oxidation on it, but no more mold or mildew. So walk out here. There's the outside. Got a little bit of stains that wouldn't come out there, and they're going to redo those. Cleaned the AC pad and pool pump pad. Came out. We got this side of the house. Had this fence on the inside and on the outside that was completely jet black, just like the trash bag there. So we sprayed all that, did a nice little soft wash on it, and it came out brand new. Usually they have rust stains on them. Quite hard to get off of these plastic fences. But anyway, that is our project so far. Here in about 10 minutes or so, we're gonna, as soon as this dries enough, I'll start applying a sealer. Take a video of that as well. While I'm doing it, we've already done all the prep. It's clear sealer, non-slip, has UV protectant and mold and mildew inhibitors in it. All right, guys, that's it. I'll see you on the next video. TitanPW.com is the website, and TitanPressureWashing.fl is for YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.
New pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof concrete and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property cleaned with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.
Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. We call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan
Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida.